Although number of registers varies from computer to computer, there are some registers common to all computers. Function of these registers are described below. Each of these registers possesses the ability to receive information, hold it temporarily and pass it on directed by the control unit. 1. Memory address register MAR. It holds the address of active memory location. So it is holding address of current memory location. It is loaded from program control register when the system reads an instruction from memory. 2. Memory buffer register MBR. It holds the contents of accessed read written memory word. To store a word in a memory location, the system first transfers it to MBR and then it writes it in memory from MBR. So basically it is a buffer register. Third is program control register or PC. It holds the address of next instruction for execution. Normally a system stores instruction of a program in a consecutive memory locations and executes them in sequence unless it encounters a branch instruction. A branch instruction is an operation that causes a transfer to non-consecutive instruction. Accumulator register A. Accumulator register A holds the data on which the system has to operate, intermediate results and results of operation performed. The system uses it during execution of most instructions. The system returns the result of an arithmetic operation to accumulator register. So basically it is a very important register for transferring data to main memory through memory buffer register. In many computers there are more than one accumulator registers. Instruction register I. It holds current instructions under execution. As soon as the instruction is stored in this register, its operation and address parts are separated. The system sends the address part of the instruction to MAR, while it sends operation part to control unit, where it is decoded and interrupted. Sixth, input output register IO. The system uses it to communicate with input output devices. An input device transfers all input register information such as instructions and data to this register. So it is that is communication. It is used for communication with IO devices. Execution of any instruction by CPU during program execution normally involves following steps. So there are four important steps. First is the control unit takes the address of next program instruction for execution from program control registers and reads the instruction of corresponding memory address into instruction register of control unit. Second, the control unit then sends the operation and address parts of instruction to decoder and memory address register respectively. Third, the decoder interrupts the instructions and accordingly the control unit sends command signals to appropriate unit for carrying out task. And fourth is, as the system executes each instruction, it loads the address of next instructions for execution in program and control register.